Hello, everyone. Today's question is a minus 4 in parentheses 8 minus 4, a minus 4 equals to 4 in parentheses 8 minus 4, 4 in parentheses will multiply 4 times 4 equals to, this is the answer, this is the wrong. No, read the question. 8 minus 4 in parentheses 8 minus 4, according to the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. First, we'll solve the brackets, and after that, we'll solve division and multiplication. After that, addition and subtraction have lower priority than division and multiplication. We'll check from left to right. When checking from left to right, whatever comes first, we'll solve that. For example, a minus 4, so first we'll solve the bracket, which is a minus 4, 4. Starting with negative 4, bracket 4, this 4 now, a minus, bracket, times multiplication. So multiplying 4 by 4 now. A minus 4 times 4 is 16, which results in a negative 16 equals minus 8. And that gives us the correct final answer.